everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Wowbutter snowball cookies. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup, which is 1 stick of butter at room temperature. You want to be sure that it is at room temperature because we need to be able to whisk it. Then we need 1 cup of creamy Wowbutter, a half a cup of powdered sugar, 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs, or you could use any kind of crumbs you want, cookie, vanilla wafers, whatever you'd like. And then you need 1/4 cup of powdered sugar for rolling. Okay, first we are going to whisk together our Wowbutter and butter until it is nice and smooth and well combined. Okay, that looks good. Next we're going to add in our half a cup of powdered sugar and our 1 cup of graham cracker crumbs. Alright, that is nice and combined. I went ahead and just used a spoon at the end because everything was getting stuck in my whisk. So now I'm going to go ahead and cover this and refrigerate it for about 2 hours. Okay, that has been chilling in the refrigerator for 2 hours, so now we can make our little balls. You should be able to get 20 of them, so about a tablespoon should be a good size. So just scoop out a tablespoon and then roll it into a ball and just put them on a cookie sheet or something lined with parchment paper. Okay, all of my balls are rolled right here. I have about 20. I do have 20. And now I'm just going to generously roll them in the powdered sugar, and then we are going to store them in the refrigerator in an airtight container. Alright, my snowballs are all dipped in my powdered sugar, and they're ready for Taste Tester to have a little taste. And they smell amazing. Alright, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Alright. Yum, yummy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.